Hi everyone, sorry the sun is like in my eye. We are in St. Clairsville today because we are at Outback Steakhouse because a really awesome subscriber who is a manager at an Outback, I'm not gonna give her names, I don't know if she wants that in the open, but she sent me $50 of free vouchers for Outback. We don't have one in Zanesville, but we just drove up here today because that's $50 of free food, so that's what we're doing, and I'm so excited right now. Decisions. I think I'm gonna get the steak. Since we have the free money, I mean, why not splurge, right? Awesome. Really excited for this. I didn't eat breakfast purposefully so that I would be able to do this today. You also get bread. Yum. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. I am so excited right now. All right, so we got our salads. Dad got his salad. Mom got her salad and soup. Too much. There's so much food here. Like, I'm already getting full and I haven't got like my main course. All right, so I got me a steak with mashed potatoes. We pretty much devoured that whole blooming onion right there, but it's so good. $2.09 for all that food. That is epic, and we still have $10. That's good through August, so amazing. All right, so we just finished the Outback. That was so, oh, I don't even know where I'm going. So good. Now, I'm super embarrassed because the people across from us, I had a bottle of A1 steak sauce, and somehow my elbow or something flung it across the table, and it flew all over the floor, and then it landed on these ladies' boots. And so I was so embarrassed, but they were actually really good about it. They weren't mad or anything, and they're really understanding, so that was awkward. Super awkward. Can't go out anywhere, right? Without making a mistake like that. No, I very rarely do that. I don't know what that was all about. That was awful, but yeah, so fun times. So apparently everybody's saying that online shopping is dominating the world. It's definitely not sure in this area. There's like, there's so many, like, especially down there, there's like nowhere to park. It's crazy. All right, so now we are at the mall. Try to get some Christmas shopping in. Every time it's so weird to come back here because we've come here probably a couple times a year my whole entire life. Back when my grandparents came and stuff. And so much has changed through the years. It's like kind of depressing in a way. Like back there was Kmart, now it's a Dunham. This was Elder Beerman, and now it's just a big gaping hole. And same with, that was the Elder Beerman men's. The end of the mall was, down at the way end of the mall was Sears. That's gone now. Just like depressing. Like there you can see the label scar for Elder Beerman right there. Yeah, crazy. But they have added a lot of new stuff here throughout the years too. That still makes it worth coming. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get Christmas shopping done today, and awesome. Okay, so we are in Michael's. I'm trying to find gifts. I'm really struggling. Like this is not laid out like any other Michael's I've ever seen, so I'm struggling to find things. I'd like to get my grandpa something because he's artistic, like likes art stuff. So I'd like to get him something like that here, but I don't really know where to even look. Do I go to, maybe I should just go to Hobby Lobby. I don't think they have a Hobby Lobby here though, so, and then, I don't know. I'm just looking around. I don't really need too many more gifts. I just need to finish up for my grandparents, my other grandma, and is that it? I think that's it. And I need to finish for that gift exchange that I'm a part of. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do today, is just finish up gifts. That's kind of the goal. But they don't really have, these are stencils. Really have what I'm looking for. Like they have paints and brushes, but they don't have like paint by numbers. I'll just wait on that. I will have to check Hobby Lobby probably back home for that sometime, or maybe I'll find something, I don't know. This is the only craft place they have here, so I don't plan on finding it anywhere else. This place is busy. didn't find anything too exciting at Bosco. I was expecting to, but the only thing I found was, hold on. The only thing I found was an electric razor for $10. I know we get so many razors from couponing, but lately I've been regular annual shaving and it's been like cutting my face up, like look, like crazy. So I don't know, I had an electric razor, but it broke. So I just decided, well, it was only $10. So I just go ahead and splurge, treat myself and get an electric razor. So that was a good deal. I didn't really find any Christmas gifts. I didn't find any Christmas gifts all day long. So I'm a little bummed about that, but we'll see what happens. It's like I said, I really don't have that much else to buy for Christmas. I'm almost done. I've got my mom done. Well, I need to get her one more thing. My dad's pretty much done. Just have to get him one more thing. I know what I'm getting him though. And then my grandparents close to being done. And then I have to shop for that gift exchange. My cousins are done. My great uncle's done. Most of the people are done. So I just gotta like keep going and get to the home stretch. All right, so we are in Cambridge, Ohio, passing back. Look at that beautiful Rite Aid. That is so sad that things a couponer notices, but that's like the fanciest Rite Aid I've ever seen in my life. We just decided to stop through for the Christmas lights because they're like right on the way home from St. Clairsville. So yes, there's quite a crowd tonight. Check this out. This has got to be the oldest Dollar General I have ever seen in my life. That is like so impressive. That is so cool. Like so vintage. Why wouldn't they? Wonder why they didn't ever change their sign, but I don't know. It's really cool aesthetics, so I like that.
Going in?
Yeah. If anyone's from here, what was this store? Because I've noticed all along like the back, they have these wood panels So this obviously could not have just been a Dollar General. It had to have been something way before that, but I don't know. I'm curious. It's really cool. Really neat place for it. All right, so we are leaving Cambridge, and I finally convinced my parents to get on the camera after like 2 years. All right, so these are my parents. There they are. Now you get to put a face with put a face with mom and dad. You don't know their names, but just put a face with them. So yeah, it's so cold. The Dollar General kind of was a letdown. I was hoping there'd be more vintagey stuff in there outside the sign, but there really wasn't, except the wood panels. That was kind of cool, but yeah, need to park a mile down the road almost. Not a mile, we're a long ways down the road, so got to get back to the car. Hopefully I got some decent vlog footage today. I tried. I really did try. So I think that's a wrap on the vlog. Tomorrow is Sunday, which is a church day, so there's that. And then there is gotta finish some school stuff, and probably go to CVS. I don't know for a fact. Maybe. It depends on CRTs and everything. I don't know if I need to go to CVS tomorrow. If my CRTs are all good through Monday or something. It depends. I haven't really made matchups to see if I need to use any of last week's CRTs. Yeah, I think I do for the Hallmark. So yeah, I should be at CVS tomorrow. But that was the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.